Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to access Google Photos on your PC. You have to start by opening your browser and you need to write Google Photos. Now you need to sign in into your account, so write your email, next also need to write the password, also you can click enter or the next, and and we have access to these photos, so now you can browse, search or manage your photos. You can also upload some photos, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!